Hello, I'm Ted and welcome back to my world of modelling again. This week I'm sticking with the spoon art thing.
So what have we got here then?
Well, this is the bird taking the nectar from the flower. I just thought this time, just for a change, I've highlighted one or two parts.
Just added a bit of colour to it.
I've added just a little bit of colour.
Yeah.
Just the cap of the bird taking the nectar. Now I will add, in my haste this afternoon, as you can see, what should be an eye there looks like that. I dropped it inside and I wasn't able to retrieve it, so
it's only got one eye.
The eye actually looks like that, but yeah, unfortunately I've got to remake it another one. It's stuck inside. So it's just one of those things. But
so originally it was going to be a hummingbird, wasn't it?
Well, I did start to make hummingbird, but then I realised when I did a bit of checking up, it would be far too big. 'Cause the average hummingbird is about, well, from 2.5 inches up to about 3.5 to 4.
Yeah.
So it would have been too big. So, well, obviously there are a lot of birds that take the nectar from the flowers, and can actually hover. I've just added one or two other things, as you can see. Do you like the butterfly?
Oh yeah, the butterfly. Is this all spoons?
Everything with this one, it's all spoons, yeah.
You got the figures down below as well, haven't you?
Yeah. Well, just to add a bit of interest, you got the mouse. Can you see the mouse? Cowering slightly behind the stems because he's spotted a huge spider.
Yeah, so there's the butterfly, the spider's legs, and the bird. And
I was pleased with the butterfly because it just looks really nice.
But they're you've got 4 elements of colour.
Well, yeah. Just to balance it out slightly. But just turn it round. As you can see, it looks a bit nicer
with his proper eye.
With the eye, yeah. But I'll replace that one. It's not much of a job.
Did you say he was having a break from the spoon art?
Yeah, it's a bit tedious after a bit. But I'd like to thank everyone for some of the suggestions. But I will do more spoon art. And I've had suggestions for more flowers, a horse, an owl. That's an interesting one, and an airplane, which is an interesting one actually. Bit of a challenge, but I thought I had some idea about World War I biplane.
Yeah,
that would be interesting. Yeah, so that's something I'm thinking about.
Yeah, I suppose the possibilities are endless, really.
Yeah. There's
only limited
it's
by
interesting.
imagination.
Well, that's right. Yeah, but I've had lots of suggestions, and I've given a lot of them a lot of thought. It's just that I'm just going to have a bit of a break now because I've got 1 or 2 jobs in the garden. But it is interesting. So what do you think? Do you like that one?
It's very nice, yeah. Something different, isn't it?
Yeah. So I don't know when I'll see you next. Probably sometime in the spring, a few weeks.
You're gonna
I don't know
introduce.
Oh yeah, I nearly forgot. That's my spoon flower, but now for the real thing.
The start of the show.
I've never grown an amaryllis, before, and I think it's spectacular. I absolutely love it.
It's a monster, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, just about what would have been about 6 or 7 weeks ago. All it was the bulb. And in 6 weeks, it's like down the triffids, just grown and grown and grown.
And how long will that flower for?
Well, apparently they float for about 8 weeks. But there's another stem here, look, with as many flowers on it as you can see that one there, look.
Yeah.
And that will.
Yeah.
This has been flowering now for about, what would I say, 2 to 3 weeks. And there's still some more buds opening, look. And when that's finished, this other stem's coming up. So probably at least 2 months.
Amazing, isn't it?
And it can, if you get it right, you can have them flare every year. But like the procedure you'll follow. So as soon as it dies down, then I'll follow that. And hopefully by this time next year, have some more spectacular blooms. I was having the moon with this, and you come down each morning and you can see it had grown that much. I mean, this is from nothing in probably 6 weeks. It's incredible.
Amazing, isn't it?
Incredible. So it's really a pleasure, that.
Yeah.
As you know, this is a present from your dear wife, Joanne. So I was really grateful. So, those are my 2 flowers for tonight, look. So, in a few weeks I'll show you again, so have a good time.